Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm SheenaJanelle and this is 5-Star Beauty Bar, where everything beautiful deserves 5 stars. Today we are going to do a dope look, okay, from Miss HUDA Beauty Obsessions palette. We are doing the Sapphire. And I absolutely love the coral and the mauve, and I'm so excited to bring the Sapphire Obsessions look to you guys today. Stick around for the look. So beauties, let's get right into this look with the beautiful HUDA Beauty Precious Stone Sapphire palette. The first color that we're using as a transition color is this lime greenish color. I'm using the Morphe 504 brush to come in and just windshield wipe this color and blend it all in as a transition color. I decided to go ahead and switch my brushes using this because I realized that I needed to pack this color on if I really wanted it to have any type of definition as a transition color. So I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush to just pack the color underneath my brow bone, and I'm coming back in with the Morphe 504 to just blend it out. The next color is this almost sky blue color. It's the next color I'm using as a transition color. Again, coming in with the e.l.f. contour brush and packing that light blue color in and using the same 504 Morphe brush to just blend it out. I went ahead and reintroduced that lime green color with the MAC 239 blending brush just to get rid of some of the hard lines with the blue, and come back in with my Morphe 504 to blend it on out. This next color is this beautiful navy blue color in the HUDA Beauty Sapphire Precious Stones palette. That's a lot to say. But I'm going to pack that navy blue with, again, the same e.l.f. contour brush. In the outer corner of my lid, the inner corner, and above the crease, just because we're going to do a halo look, and I want to give this beautiful smoky sapphire midnight bluish kind of vibe going on here. It kind of matches my shirt too, so. So this process right here is the utmost important process to do, to make sure that you blend out all of those harsh lines and those beautiful colors together so that you can just have that flawless gradient and just beautiful eyeshadow. I'm going to come in and do the cut crease with my LA Girl Fawn using my Ruby Kisses concealer brush, and coming right in the middle of my eyelid, creating this beautiful just halo look. So here I'm going to pack that navy back in the corner after I finish with the concealer, just to deepen that navy back up and just give those outer corners and the inner corners some really beautiful definition. So now coming in with this beautiful creamy silver. These shimmers in this palette are so creamy and so beautiful. I'm going to pack it in with the e.l.f. contour brush again, just because the dense brushes hold more product. The shimmer did get a little messy, and so I'm just doing some cleanup right now with a flat angle brush and blending it out with my Morphe 504. This is the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. It's a base that is so great to use for loose pigments. I'm going to use it with this beautiful loose silver glitter that I have by Isme, I believe. It's spelled I-Z-M-E. I literally picked it up from the local beauty supply store. It was so affordable. I got every color on the shelves, and it's just really bringing up this silver shimmer from the HUDA Beauty palette. For my wing liner, I'm using the Ruby Kisses Liquid Genius. The bottle literally says high IQ liquid eyeliner. It is sweat proof, waterproof, smudge proof, easy to take off. The color is black as black, and I mean, for an affordable brand and for this not to crack or like, it's really good. This bottle, it does the do. Like, I don't know, I really love it. Look at these wings, y'all. Here I'm just prepping my natural lashes with Lash Renegade by Wet n Wild so that I can apply these beautiful lashes by I Envy from the Iconic collection. These are 3D angle and volume. They're lightweight. They're called Chick Icon, and they're perfect with smoky eye makeup. So I decided to use these. They're number 4, and yo, these lashes are so dope. Before we started the shadows, I forgot to mention that I did apply tape just to make sure we had a really sharp look with the smoky eye. This is where it comes off. Like, look at this eye. Time for the face. I'm coming in to prime with the BECCA Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I use this all over my T-zone because I'm extremely oily, as you guys may know from my last video, and I just like to get that matte look. This is the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear. I love it. It's beautiful. It feels great. This is the color 550, and I'm going to just apply this and blend it in with my BH Cosmetics brush 113. The concealer that we're using today, well, one of the concealers that we're using today for under the eyes is the Born This Way in the color Toffee. I use this as my base concealer. I really love the color, I love the coverage, and then I come in with my LA Girl Fawn. I don't know, it just hypes the look up for me. After blending out our layers of concealer with our NYX Beauty Blender, I'm coming in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. To brush away the setting powder, I'm coming in with the Morphe M510 brush. I don't like to bake long because it like leaves these little holes, I don't know, like around my pores. So I brush the setting powder right off, the majority of it, and I come back later and tone it with a bronzer. Here we're using the Morphe 35 OM palette to work on some contour. I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush in 119. Just to snatch this nose, honey. The the rest of the face contour, we're using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. These bottom two brown and blackest brown colors. I'm using the MAC 168 angled brush to get these cheekbones and this chin snatched up and bring some more warmth into this look, guys. To bring in some warmth, we're using the MAC Skin Finish in Dark Deep with this beautiful number 91 Sephora brush. These fibers feel so wonderful on your face, and if you haven't got one, please get your coins together because it is expensive. Coming back with a throwback, this is the MAC Blush and Raisin. As you can see, it's almost gone. I've literally had it forever, and we're gonna just get some rosiness in the cheeks with that. We're coming back to the Jaclyn Hill palette to use some of these shimmers as highlighters on the cheekbones and the temples to give a beautiful, just sun-kissed look to this. And I'm also going to come back with this blue shimmer, just with an ode to the Sapphire, and just kiss the cheeks with some blue shimmer as well. I thought it was so cute. The black liner that we're using is from Rimmel London. It's the Casual Eyeliner Pencil Soft Coal in the color black. We're using it right before we come in with a smudge brush to smudge this navy color from the Huda Beauty Sapphire palette. The last color that we're coming in to smudge under our waterline is this almost crystal blue color from the palette. It's a shimmer and it just brings the look totally together. I decided to come back in with the silver shimmer from the palette to just pop right into my tear ducts. I don't know, I like the look. To tie our look all together, we're coming in with this beautiful turquoise pencil. It's by Jordana. It's like the closest thing blue that I had for the lips, so we're going to make it work. We're going to fill and line our lips with the pencil, and just to get the color payoff that we're looking for. That's what we're looking for, the color, the color, the color. Once we have the color in, I like to just come in with a little concealer in the middle of the lip just to make it this halo effect, just like our eyes. And then also I'm coming in with the NYX Butter Gloss and Cinnamon Bun just to give it some gloss and tie it in. And here she is. And our final step to bring the look all together is to set it with our Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Setting Spray. This is the final look, you guys. I love it. And I mean, we did like a smoky halo cut crease. We like included all of it today. I want to give a shout out to Huda Beauty. It's not sponsored, but the Sapphire Obsessions palette, I'm here for it. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. turn the notification bell on so you will know when I bring you another amazing 5-star video. Thank you again for watching with me. I'm SheenaJanelle, and this is 5 Star Beauty Bar.